Bonjour YouTube, today we are in the north of France, in Hauts-de-France, in Lille.
Lille is the fourth biggest city in France.
Yeah.
So we have so many things to do today. We will try to do our best and show you around.
And yeah, we are very close to Belgium. And let's see, so
On y va?
on y va!
1, 2, 3, your attention's all I need. 4, 5, 6, don't let it slip. I don't have any favorite, just give me any kind. Even if it hurts a bit, I think I will be fine. 24/7, all I do is procrastinate, procrastinate. My lesson. 24/7, all I do is procrastinate, procrastinate. Perfection. 1, 2, 3, I don't know who else to be. 4, 5, 6, like they say I can't be fixed. 1, 2, 3, your attention's all I need. 4, 5, 6, don't let it slip.
Now behind me is the Gare Lille Flandre. Special thing about this station is that the facade that you see behind me is the facade of Gare du Nord in Paris. They had to move it from there because it was too small. And when they constructed this here, they had to also change the design of the surrounding buildings a little bit just to fit the Haussmannian style. So cool, no?
We just reached the Église Maurice. It's a church which was dedicated to Saint Maurice. This church was built at the end of 14th century, but they completed the church at the end of 19th century. I love the bell tower, it's so unique, and it has a neo-Gothic and Gothic style as well. So I think I will say it's one of my favorites so far.
So one of the particular things about Lille is the fact that it only became French under the Louis XIV. Before then, it wasn't French. It is also very popular in markets. Once a year, the whole city turns into a market, flea market, giant flea market. And the architecture here in particular is rather different from the French architecture that you would normally find around the country. Let's go check it out. So as you can see, the architecture is very different. As I mentioned earlier, the city only became French under the Louis XIV. However, during the French Revolution, the neighboring countries like Germany and Austria tried to take it as well, because they tried to reinstate the monarchy in the country here. The city is a birthplace to Général-de-Gaulle, and because of that, this place is now named Place de Gaulle.
In the Middle Ages, this place used to be market. It's well known for its market, and also now it's well known for its manifestations. Whenever there are manifests, people just gather up here and they just protest, or they have their own manifestations in this place. So it's like Place de la République in Paris. It's very similar to that.
one of the cool things that just happened now is that one of the nice things I would say is that we went into the shop and the lady, when she saw us, she was just like bonjour. The last time that happened to us was in Chartres. This does not happen in Paris at all.
So where are we now?
We are at we're going towards Notre-Dame, and we are on the it's like a really elegant street. What's the name of it? I forgot. Yeah, so we are at a Rue Escarmoise, which is basically a shopping street, very elegant shopping street. And behind me there is a dog that's wearing glasses.
We just reached Citadelle de Notre-Dame. You can see the architectural difference. One is Romanesque and the other one is contemporary style. And the construction took 146 years to complete. And it completed in 1999. Now we will go in and we will check inside.
Right, so behind me is Rue de la Monnaie, which is one of the oldest, or probably the oldest streets in the old town of Lille. Behind the street used to be the castle, where the cathedral stands now. And this is so crazy. It's just, you can see these walls, they're like super old. I like it. It's different. It's very different. You can see the influence of the, of the Flandre people. So we decided to do a little pit stop in the park. It's really beautiful here, and we're gonna go to the Citadel, which is an old citadel in the city. We're trying to find it right now. Frankly, we're kind of overwalked, but you know what? It's a good city. It's a beautiful city. I love the fact that the furniture here is well taken care of, the street furniture, I mean. And yeah, hopefully Paris will start taking care of the furniture as well, as it used to.
This citadel is one of the 28 citadels in France. However, this one is very unique. It's because it has a complete shape of a star in France. now we are back to Grand Place, and we are right next to the
Gare.
Gare. And we only have 19 minutes until the couvre-feu.
Because curfew is still around,
Yeah.
right?
But thankfully next week they will lift up to 21.
9 p.m. for the American
Yeah.
friends of ours. The city itself is so cool. It's so easily explored by foot.
Yeah. You
But-
can navigate yourself so easily. You
Yeah.
won't get lost.
And I think one of the best things about it is that the architecture here is so different from other cities in France. It's so different. I would say it's incredible. Ah, we got something. We're so excited, and we're gonna have it tonight.
Yeah. I'm very excited about that.
Yeah. So we'll let you know whether they tasted good or not. We're very excited, no?
Yeah, I'm very excited about that.
And yeah, come to Lille.